Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency, and coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking into the back seat, where you have spacious seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And in the middle, you have fold-out cup holders with a 12-volt USB and USB-C. And this truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, truck info, towing information, navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. You also have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, Bluetooth capable, so you have plenty of options there. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with a full 360 view so you can see all around your truck, with dynamic hitch view so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that, you have your camera view again, your hazards, hill descent assist, and traction control shut off. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential, and your drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, eco, and sport mode. And then on the opposite end, you have slippery, deep snow sand, mud ruts, and rock crawl mode. So you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then moving on to the right, where you have a 12-volt, 120-volt power outlet, and this compartment up here for more storage. Moving down, you have another 12-volt with a USB and USB-C, as well as a shelf where you can put your device while it's charging. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have something a bit more unique and not as common in these trucks. You have the interior work surface, which you can slide forward, and then you can slide it towards you, so you can have something to work off of, eat off of, whatever you want to do with this. And even when you have this slid out, you still have access to two cup holders and sort of a hidden compartment or two here. And when it's slid back, that is covered, and then you still have two cup holders. But this seat does flip up and out of the way to become your fifth passenger seat and sixth seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, with another lockable compartment underneath for even more storage. And then last but not least, you have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.